Hello, it's Eugene from Fortify and today we are going to look at a very short calisthenics workout. If you enjoy the content on this channel, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Also, if you'd like to leave a comment in the section below, I will get back to you when I can. Okay, let's do this. And there it is. Now, this is a beginner's calisthenics workout. If, however, you're still on foundational level and you're unsure where to start, then drop me a line and I will provide you with some online coaching. If you liked the content, then please like, share and subscribe. I would very much appreciate it, as this will help me to grow the channel and allow me to keep on providing you with content. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. May the force be with you. Bye-bye.